You're born deaf and blind. Eating? That's not even something you can think about yet. Just a short time ago, you weren't even in this world. About 2 months earlier, you were resting peacefully inside your mother's womb. Everything was calm, warm, safe. You didn't have to worry about anything. Then one day, everything changed. Your mother gave birth to you, and suddenly you were here. Welcome to the world. But there's one problem. You can't see anything, and you can't hear anything either. The world around you is completely dark and silent. You have no idea where you are. You don't know what's happening. You only feel the sensations around your tiny body. Almost immediately, your mother begins licking you. She carefully cleans away the fluids covering your fur after birth. Then she uses her mouth to bite through the umbilical cord that connected you to her. Once she's finished, she lies down beside you. Her body heat surrounds you. That warmth becomes your first source of comfort in this strange new world. For the next hour, you mostly rest. Your body is exhausted from being born, but before long, another feeling appears. Hunger. You can't see your mother and you can't hear her movements, so you rely on your sense of touch and smell. Slowly, you begin crawling and searching. You nudge forward, you stumble. You keep moving. Eventually, you find your mother's milk and begin nursing. At this stage of your life, that's almost all you do. Sleep, drink milk, sleep again. Day after day, that's your routine. Your survival depends entirely on your mother and your caretaker. Without them, you wouldn't be able to make it through even a single day. Your caretaker prepares a warm, clean place for you to rest. Soft blankets help keep your body comfortable. As the days pass, you grow a little bigger, a little stronger, a little more curious. Eventually, your eyes begin to open and your hearing gradually develops. The world that was once dark and silent slowly starts revealing itself to you. Time passes quickly. Now you are 6 months old. You're much larger than before, and you finally have enough energy to explore the world around you. Walks outside become part of your life. Every new smell feels exciting. Every corner hides something interesting to investigate, but you still need special care. Hot weather can be difficult for you. On warm days, you may become tired much faster, so your caretaker needs to pay close attention to your comfort and safety. Your diet has changed too. You're no longer surviving on milk alone. Now you can eat puppy kibble and other foods designed to support your growing body. Every meal helps strengthen your muscles, bones, and teeth. A few months later, you become even more adventurous. You start chewing on bones and chew toys. At first, it feels great. Chewing keeps you occupied, helps exercise your jaw, and satisfies your natural instincts. As the years go by, you continue eating different kinds of food. But there's something happening that you can't easily notice. Tiny food particles begin collecting around your teeth. Day after day, small amounts of plaque build up. If your teeth aren't cleaned properly, that plaque gradually hardens into tartar. The process is slow. You barely notice it, but your teeth certainly do. Eventually, 5 years pass. Now you're entering the later stages of adulthood. You're not old yet, but you're no longer the tiny puppy who spent every day sleeping beside your mother. The tartar that has accumulated over the years may begin causing problems. Your gums can become irritated. Some teeth may weaken. Dental disease can slowly develop if it isn't treated. You might even lose a tooth or two. Things that once felt easy don't feel quite the same anymore. Chewing hard bones may become uncomfortable. Your body is changing. Thankfully, your caretaker can help. Softer foods may become a better option, helping you eat comfortably without putting extra strain on your teeth. Even as you grow older, you can still enjoy life. You can still look forward to meals. Life may be different now than it was when you were a puppy, but every stage brings its own experiences. From the moment you entered the world blind and deaf, to the day you began exploring on your own, you've come a long way, and your story is still continuing.